Cool. So this is how the Google Ads works. Google Ads platform works. So it has been divided into three categories. So one is campaign, and the second one is ad groups, and the third one is ads. Okay. So how it is going to work is, for an example, if we are going to give some budget here, like for an example, every day I'm going to spend 2000 INR. If I give this instruction to campaign, whatever the ad groups that are going to be created, and whatever the ads that are going to be created in the ad groups, everything will be under the master configuration as 2000 INR. That means what? If I am running some three advertisements in ad groups, the three advertisements will spend that 2000 rupees value equally. And ads, if I am having some six ads, all the each and every ad will share equally. So that is how the hierarchy works. Okay. So from campaign, it will delegate the. It will be like a master configuration, and Google ad groups will be a master configuration for ad group. Ad groups will be the master configuration for uh, Google Ads. Okay, so let me to list a few of the things which the campaigns will be in the campaign we can able to configure. Let me to say, one is we can able to configure the pricing, and the second one what we can able to configure is location. Second, what we can configure is location. Okay, and the third what we can able to configure is duration. Okay. Right. So similarly, how we had given some configurations for campaign, the ad groups can also able to get configured. So what are the primary things which can be configured to ad group are, one is keywords. So we will be adding the keywords in ad groups for which the advertisement has to target, and negative keyword. Negative keyword can be provided even for the campaign as well. Campaign level of campaign level as well. Okay, and then we have the option to configure the pricing in Google Ads as well, Google Ad groups as well, and we can give the bidding option. Cost per CPC can be provided. So these can be common for all the advertisements. So it means that in a single campaign we can able to create multiple ad groups, and in single ad group we can able to create multiple ads. Okay. So in the ads, what we are going to do? In the ads, we can able to create search ads. Everything we have to create, whether it is going to be there on the primary or not, it is going to be configured here. So in the ads, we can able to create one is responsive ads. That means we will be giving some 10 headlines and 10 descriptions. The Google will take care of for which keyword, which title has to be taken, and which heading has to be taken, and it will deploy. So that is what responsive ads. Okay, or we can say dynamic ads. And similarly, we can also write text ads. Okay, and apart from this, we have the options. Similarly, like ads, we have the option for extensions, where we can able to configure the extensions, and all those will be there. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to explain you in the real-time platform as well, Google platform as well. Okay, uh, so here we are right now seeing in the left hand side column that we are seeing a campaign. Then we have an ad group, and then we have ads and extensions. These are the three columns which I had given for you, right? So these are the three things which the Google AdWords has been configured, and the rest of the things, like for an example, here we have the landing pages, keywords, audience, demographics, placements, settings. These are all common for campaign. These are all common for ad groups differently. These are all common for ads and extensions differently. So what I'm trying to say is, if I choose this ad group for an example, and I had chosen an ad group, And in the inside this ad group, if I select some ad group for an example, I will be having the audience demographics, placements and settings, but these things will be only related to the ad group where I am talking about. See, you cannot able to see the chapter called campaigns here. You can able to see ads and extensions, and all the rest of the details. But these will be applicable only for the groups. So it will be showing only the details about the group. Suppose if you want to see the audience segment of a particular campaign, for an example, what you have to do is you have to go to the campaigns. So in the campaigns, you have to select some any of the campaign, and inside that campaign you can able to see the audience demographics, placement settings, which is common as similar as like an ad group, but this will be related to the campaign which we had selected. Okay, here you can able to see we had stopped at the campaign, not inside the campaign. So these are the ad groups. So I had created only one ad group. Suppose if I click this ad group and I entered into it, I can able to see the audience demographics, placements which are common for the ads and not for the campaign. So here you can't able to see the campaign. Similarly, once if you enter into the ads category, I mean uh, into the group, for an example, let me to show you. I had chosen an ad group which is digital marketing plan, right? So inside I am looking for a particular advertisement. Okay, so inside that I can able to see all the advertisements which are listed here. So here I have the option to edit the particular ad. Otherwise, I can able to find out the leads about the links and details and all those elements. Okay, so right now I'm going to end my theoretical session and I'm going to start your digital marketing online training session. So before that, I will give you a small touch up about the rest of the four chapters, which is landing pages. So landing pages means it will show out all the links that we had given, and it will give the data about how many clicks, how many impressions, and how many click through rates and cost has been happened for the particular page. And similarly, we also have the option to go for the keywords based. Like for an example, if you give search keywords, it will give on keyword based how many for this keyword, how many cost has been taken, how many click through rate has been taken, and these kind of data will be here. And similarly, if we give the search terms, for an example, we can able to see how many searches has been happened for this particular for this particular group. Those details will be here. And so it is based on these data are based on keywords. For each and every keyword we can able to configure, as well as we can able to get the details about the keyword, like for an example how many clicks and how many data and etc. Then we have audience segment. So audience segment is okay, so audience segment is not required to be added at this moment because it is used for a display advertisement. So right now we do not require to go for any audience segment. We will go for the demographics. So demographics are the things which through uh, the audience were categorized, whether they are based on male or female, or what kind of age that we want to target. So those things we can able to configure here. Like for an example, I had passed the audience between 18 to 24, 55 to 64, and 65 plus, and I am that means that I'm targeting only 25 to 55, 54 age group category members, and the spend will be taken only for those particular segment, and the remaining segment the amount will not be spent. uh, so I can able to get the details about what age group category I'm getting a lot of clicks and how much I had spent for that particular clicks. So that means if this age group category is highly interested and the cost is less, what I will be doing is I will be creating a separate campaign with only for this particular age category. So by which I can able to spend money only for the particular age category, so which will give me a better return on investment. Okay, so these things will be covered when we are planning for a Google Ads optimization process. So similarly, we have the option to find out whether the gender is male or female or unknown. For an example, household income is usually for US clients and it is not for Indian clients. It will be mentioned in dollars and usually it is not for Indian clients. Okay, so and combinations and exclusions are usually which is not required at the beginning stage. It is just a combination of what age group and female male category has been producing results and all those things. Okay, so placements, when we are going to see the placements, usually it is helpful for a display advertisements. So where ads can be shown in which location, for an example, whether it is YouTube or display or what are the websites the advertisements has been shown. Like for an example, I had created a search ad, but I had given the option to show it in the places where display is possible. So that means what, in the websites where the Google AdSense has been implemented, so there my advertisements can be showed, and through which my advertisements, I will be getting clicks. So usually display advertisement will be cost effective, cost less. At the same time, the potential is different. Like for an example, I would like to say Facebook is a place where we go and reach the targeted audience. Okay, Google search is a place where targeted audience comes for their need, comes for their immediate need, and they search and they would like to get the solution immediately. So that means for the audience who are coming through the search, Google search, are highly potential. They are like immediate buyers, they are like immediate decision makers, rather than the audience who comes through Facebook, or the audience who comes through the email campaign, or audience who comes through the LinkedIn campaign. Okay, so there are two things: one is we reaching the audience, the other thing is audience are searching for something and we are giving it to them. So that means one is inbound advertisement, the other one is outbound advertisement. Okay, so inbound advertisements will always have a better impact, and we can able to make some sales much easily and quickly in Google search. Okay, so that is the power of Google. But usually Google platform is because of lot of competition, people are ready to pay a lot of funds for each and every keyword. I had seen B2B businesses which are ready to spend for a single click 1,100 rupees. They are ready to pay for a single click. If they are making some 10 clicks, the Google will earn 10,000 rupees in Indian money for just for 10 clicks. So that kind of audience are powerfully available in Google. So that means what they are, when they are going to invest some 20,000 for an example, for 10 or 20 customers who came to the landing page. From that, they can able to make one conversion at least. They can able to make a revenue of 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. So that is what the algorithm of a business. So that is how they are able to invest for the particular keywords. And because of that competition, usually Google ads will be of much of higher pricing. And then we have the settings option. Settings will be of configurations and etc etc. And devices will be of mobile or desktop etc etc. Okay, I believe this much of information will be comfortable for you all at this first stage. And let us move on to the Google Ads creation from your side. All members start doing one event or one activity that you can able to see in the platform. You can able to see an upload kind of icon will be available. So everyone, please click that kind of icon, and there will be an option which will say show entire screen. Okay, so once you click the show entire screen, it will ask to select the screen. So select the screen and give OK. So if you do that, so all your screen will be visible to all the people. Okay, so why it is required is, in case if you found any difficulty or how you are doing this activity in your system, that I have to watch in order to give you the assistance of how to create properly. Okay, so because it is a practical session, so everyone enable the uh, platform sharing. So once everyone enable the platform sharing, we will start doing the activity. I will start creating an advertisement in my own system, and you can parallelly do the same. So I can see Karupasamy session is active now. Let me see what is the screen is showing up. Oh, I'm sorry, Karupasamy's screen is not active now. Nuruddin's screen is active now. Okay, I can able to see the details. So once everyone, all the members in the group screens are active and shared, I'll be starting educating you all guys. to create a Google Ads campaign, search ad campaign. I hope I can't. I may not able to. Yazir, Yashvir, Lalwani. I think I can able to see the screen. Let me to check. Oh, I'm sorry, my speakers are off. Right now, I can able to hear. Yes, Vinay, are you telling
Hello.
something? Yes, Doctor Vinay, are you saying
Yeah,
something?
actually, yeah, I want to open, then go for new tab.
Okay, you don't need to go to new tab. You what you have to do is
Okay,
you have to click the center of the screen. Okay, in your system,
okay,
center of the screen,
okay,
and in the
okay.
below you can able to see a upload kind of icon. Can you able to see that?
Um, Upload downside or upside?
Like, can you able to see the call cut option? Can you able to see the
Video.
video stop option?
Yes,
And can you able to see a
yes,
small something like presenting or something?
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, click that one. And what are the options it
Okay.
is showing?
Your entire screen, a window, a
Hmm.
Chrome tab.
Okay, so in this you can go for sharing entire screen. The other options will create complexities. So give share entire screen, and then it will ask for another option. Tell me what is the option.
Then say, yeah, come in center, share your entire screen.
Okay, give the share your entire screen. I think I can
Enter.
able
Okay,
to
okay.
see digital marketing consultant is presenting. Okay, I can able to see Kishore's screen. Is it? Can you able to solve this, Mr. Doctor Vinay?
No, 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 sir.
Just you have to give the share entire screen, and
Okay.
after that it will show a small pop-up which will ask to select your screen. So click on the small screen option that is going to be shown for you, and then
Yes.
give OK or something. It will show your screen.
Share. You
Done.
got it?
Yes, I think your presentation is on right now. Done.
Okay.
So Sagar's presentation is on as well. Presentation Sagar is on. So I can able to see Kishore's system is ready, and Dr. Vinay Kumar's system is ready, and Sagar's system is ready.
But my screen is not showing here, no?
Your screen is not.
Yeah, here just it's coming like same thing.
Same thing in the sense you will not see anything difference, but we can able to see what you are working. So that means I can able to watch whether
Okay,
you guys are properly. You will be just hearing my
okay, okay.
voice.
Oh, okay, like the new tab.
Yes, in new tab, right now you had clicked the new tab, I can able to see. So like the new tab,
Okay,
in the new tab, I will be saying the instructions. So you will be doing the same.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
I wish
got it.
whoever is having some doubts in between, this is the time you can unlock your mic and you can start speaking, because I may not able to see everyone's screen at the same time. I'll be
Okay.
starting the instructions, and you please guys start to do the same. Cool.
Mr. Kanyan, what if I already have a Google Ads, this one platform already made?
It is not a problem. Google Ads platform, it is simply a Google account, like how we have a Gmail account. Everyone who is having a Gmail account will have a Google Ads platform by default. So
Okay, I have already created one recently.
you
So,
had created
I
recently one.
yeah,
Okay, that is not a problem. We can use the same. If you know how to create a search ad, then it is up to you. I have no issues. No, what to say. Nothing, nothing big to say about it.
okay,
What I'm trying to say is, If you already have created a Google Ads platform, not a problem. We can use the same platform and we can create a new search ad. That is one thing. And suppose if you know already the details, you may not require to share the screen as well. That's not a problem. It's up to you.
Okay.
So I can able to see Kishore, Dr. Vinay, and male XC. I think it might be Ani. I think, and Nuruddin is yet to do it, and Sagar is ready, and Yashvir Lalwani. I think he is ready. Let me to check whether I can able to view his screen. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. So I can able to assist these people much closely and easily, and the rest of the people has to come quickly. So I'm about to start the session. Or anyone facing some issues, uh, let me know so that let me to start immediately as quick as possible.
This line is visible to you,
What is your name?
Karupasamy.
Yes, actually your screen is not visible to me.
Not visible.
Yes.
Uh, Let me
So
check.
you have to do the same process what I had told already. And parallelly, I think anyone can able to see the other members presentation. Okay, so in case of any doubts or something, I wish officially they can view the screens to learn how to create an advertisement in Google Ads, or they can ask me the doubts as well.
Hello.
Yes, Dr. Vinay.
Hello. Yeah, sir, I come sign in Google Ads. Here, like
Okay.
three dot is there. Three,
Uh-huh.
we can say a sleeping line there. So there, click say air option is not coming.
What option is not coming? Okay,
Like
right now, okay,
ad
okay, Vinay,
campaigns or
okay,
whatever.
okay, Vinay Kumar, I can able to see your screen. So the things are done right now. We will start working on it, but I will tell you what to do, not to hurry up. Okay, let everyone
Okay,
to
okay,
able to get committed to the system and let us start working on it. Okay.
fine, fine.
So everyone, please do remember this is a practical session. So I require your active participation to complete this session. In between, if you miss out something, I may not able to completely, make my purpose done.
Sir,
Karupasamy,
can you
yes.
see my now?
No, right now I can't able to see. Let me to give you instructions. Please do parallelly. Don't switch off your mics. So, system Karupasamy, you can do one thing. Click the center, and you can able to see the options like end the call and stop video, etc. Right? Can you able to see that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And towards the right hand side corner, can you able to see a upload kind of icon? You
Okay.
can't. Like, can you able to see turn on captions? Karupasamy is presenting. I can able to see. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, that's why it's coming like presenting in my screen, but it is not.
Okay. Okay, fine. I don't know why the username is not created one more. Anyway, I can able to. I think I can able to see. Let me to check. This is Dr. Vinay, and this is
Yeah.
Karupasamy. All right. I think
Okay.
Karupasamy, are you using a mobile?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then how can I able to help you in assisting a Google ad creation? Okay, you can.
Mm, can I
Uh,
see it in my iPad? Is it possible?
iPad or actually phone. Okay, you can try the options whichever is possible, but I'm not sure whether you can completely do it with the mobile
I
phone.
couldn't
The options will be
open
different.
my system.
And Miss Karupasamy, it will be helpful. What is the tool that you are using to make the words to text conversion?
Sorry?
What is the tool that you are using, which is converting the words into text?
Words into text. I don't
Actually,
know.
in your
I
screen, I
don't
can able
know.
to see what are I'm speaking. It is actually typing like a message.
Yes, yes.
How is it happening?
I don't know. I thought you did success.
In your phone. All right. Okay. Anyway.
loudspeaker na then she can I think do.
Here comes GSM expert. So what is it, Noru? What is it, Noruddin? What you were saying? So Noruddin, how?
Hello.
Yeah, Noruddin, how is it happening?
Hello, sir. Here, Dr. Vinay.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. I think I understood mistakenly. Okay, sorry. All right. अरे यार मोबाइल Okay, fine. Cool then. So I think everyone had opened the presentation, right? So shall I start the session, or if anyone is missing out the live session, practical session, please let me know. I'm going to start now. Fine. Okay, so let us start the session. Uh, right now, what you are going to do is you will create a right now you create a new tab, okay, and one tab for seeing my screen what I am presenting right now to you, and the other screen will be the place what you are going to work, okay. So three things will happen. One is you will be seeing my screen, and parallelly in the next tab you will be creating all the elements. Third thing is I will be watching you how you are doing the ad creation process in the new tab. All right, fine. So right now I'm going to explain you step by step. I had divided into multiple steps. The first step is I'm going to create a Google search ad through the Google Ads platform that I had created. Okay. So the same thing everyone has to. I believe everyone has to start doing the same.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I am seeing Karpat Swami is a screen on a screen, not your screen.
You can't able to see my screen.
Yeah. Karpat Swami is presenting the screen I am showing.
Sorry, sorry, sorry. What is it? What is it, Nauruddin?
He was using very nice everything is showing without any mistake. I would like to
Hello.
also know that happening.
To whom?
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Karup Swami is presenting a screen is showing in my screen.
Karupasamy presenting is showing in your screen. I understood.
Yes, yes, yes.
So everyone do one thing. Everyone do one thing. There is a name called Tanigai Raj bracket your presentation, right? I'm sorry, Tanigai Raj bracket presentation. Is that right?
Now is where
I wish everyone
Lavan
please
is
unlock
presenting
the
screen.
mic for a minute, and somebody had switched off the speakers as well. Then how could they able to hear? I don't know. Anyway, till if it is working, it is fine for me. So what I'm trying to say is, in the names list, you can able to see Tanigai Raj two times, right? One is Tanigai Raj, and the next one is Tanigai Raj presentation. Am I right? Hello. No, only one. Okay, so if you want to see my screen, what you have to do is you have to click yes. Who is this? Yashvir Lalwani. So what you have to do is in the second Tanigairaj is there, right? There is a small icon like a screen, right? Just click that screen. You can able to see my screen. Yashvir is doing the right thing. Yashvir, you have to wait for some time because I'm also viewing your screen so that it will show like a cascade. But just be on. But what you had did is right. Just hold on. Others are ready. So I'm going to see Dr. Vinay's. Dr. Vinay is using a. Oh, this Karpasamy. Okay. So where is Dr. Vinay? Okay, Dr. Vinay, can you able to click the? Please come and click the meet option first tab. Yes. Okay. And what is this? Okay, here you can able to see a people. Two people are there. No, move your cursor towards the top, where you can able to see the number 13. Two people plus 13. Two people's logo plus 13. Click that one. Here you can able to see my name. Where is my name? Yeah, at the bottom, right? So yeah, the first one. Click that one. You had clicked. Can everyone able to see my screen? Nowardin says yes. Can everyone able to see my screen? I'm going to start now.
Yes, I can.
Great. Little bit stuck. Maybe our internet speed issue. All right. So that we have to cope up. So everyone do one thing. Everyone create a new tab. Okay, in your browser, create a new tab. Hope everyone can able to view my screen. I'm going to create the first phase now. Better, what I will do is I will do a incognito mode so that I can able to freshly start like you. Okay. What I had did is I had created a new tab. Here I'm going to type Google Ads. That's all. I'm going to type Google space Ads. Okay. I had given enter. Here I had seen options in which I'm going to check out this one. Otherwise, I will give you the direct link. I have shared you a link, so you can directly click this link and open in a new tab so that we can log in. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I had opened the page and I'm going to log in. Okay, we have two options. One is we can able to create a new Google Ads account. Otherwise, what we can able to do is we if we already have a Gmail account or anything blah blah blah, definitely we will have. That is why we had connected through the Google Meet. So we can use the same email ID and password. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is in the ad login screen, I'm going to give my username v.thani at gmail.com. Then I'm going to give the next option. So in the next option, I'm going to enter the password which belongs to v.thani at gmail.com. Then I'm going to give next. Okay. So that means I'm logging in. So have you all logged in successfully? I can able to see Miss Doctor. Vinay presenting to everyone. So whose screen is it?
Hello.
Yes, Miss Karapasamy. Yes.
Sir, I cannot copy the link.
Oh, is it?
May I know in which thing I need to go? I mean, I have to go.
Okay, you are in
Google
mobile.
Ads, I
Mobile.
am working in iPad.
Okay, done. Then you can do is you can go for you can search in Google.
Google Ads.
Yes, Google Ads, and
Okay.
it will
Okay.
ask you to first option or something. You can click, and it will ask to
Official
sign in.
site.
I'm sorry.
Official site.
Yes,
Google Ad
official.
official site.
Yes,
In that.
please click that
Okay.
one.
Okay.
I think Karupasamy, your screen is not shared, right? Okay, you are using something else. Done. So click the first link, and it will ask to sign in. Just sign in. Okay, so Mr. Doctor Vinay Kumar is ready, and Miss Annie is also ready. She had started the new campaign process. Okay, okay, and similarly, Nuruddin is yet to get connected, and Sagar, system of Sagar is I can't able to see the system of Sagar right now. I can able to see. Sagar, is it audible? Can you? Shall we create a new Google account? Sagar, you just need to open a new tab, and you have to enter Google Ads or the link which I had shared with you. Just doing revision. All right. Cool then. Then Yashvir Lalwani, I think she also had started doing a lot of work. All right. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the next process. Uh, the things how it shows to you and me will be of a bit different. So I'm going to guide one of the person who is there creating the advertisement, and parallelly others can able to do. Okay, so now let me tell. Hope everyone has created the new account. Please go for the tab campaigns. The page where you are creating. So right now, what you have to do is, uh, okay, Dr. Vinay, what shall we do is I'm going to see your screen, and I'm going to train everyone, because the reason is I had already created an advertisement. So it will be looking different for different people. So Dr. Vinay, you don't require to see my screen, but I will be seeing your screen, and I will be giving you instructions. Please do the same. Okay. And let me know one thing, whether others can able to see Dr. Vinay's presentation. I don't know if it is possible. Please watch Dr. Vinay's presentation to get the information and details. Okay. So Dr. Vinay, can you scroll down a little bit in your screen? Scroll down. Perfect. Hold on. So you can able to see the option which is called create new campaign. Okay. So please click the create new campaign option. Perfect. So right now we have three options. One is get more calls. Next is get more website sales or signups. And the third one is get more visits to your physical location. And then we have the next option. And do we have any other option below? Please scroll down. Perfect. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Don't give anything. So here, mark this, instruction members, please. Are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. That is the option which is available if you are creating the Google Ads for a first time. Okay. So click the switch to expert mode option. Vinay, you can click the switch to expert mode option. You can move your mouse a little bit lower below the next option. You can able to see switch to expert mode exactly. It seems Yashvir had started to almost get complete the advertisement. It seems. Then I think better next session I can ask Yashvir to do this. Okay. So Dr. Vinay. Okay. So uh, Dr. Vinay, you can go to new campaign.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So right now, hope everyone can able to see the same screen. What I'm watching, I'm watching Dr. Vinay Kumar's screen. I believe everyone is watching the same screen. Is that true?
Uh, this is sale, lead, web traffic, product, and brand consideration, brand awareness reach, app promotion, create a campaign without a goal guidance.
Exactly. I can able to see your screen. So everyone can able
Okay.
to see the same thing. Sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, etc. Sagar says yes. Okay, so I had received some two informations that is good enough. Okay, so in this sales, leads, website traffic, product, and brand consideration. So sales is something. These are goals for which we will be guiding the Google Ads to, make this targeted sales. Right now, what we are going to do is we are going to create the advertisement for a website traffic. So that means we are going to drive audience for our website. Okay. So Vinay, please select the option website traffic.
Okay.
Okay, so here we can able to see search ad, display ad, shopping video, app, smart discovery. So here we are going to choose the option search. So Mr. Vinay, please choose the option search. Have you given the options? Have you clicked the option search? Yes, please click the option search.
Okay. Then continue.
Did you click? Select the option search. Done. No, something is missing. You have to done. Hold on.
Air website.
Yes, you have three options when it comes to website traffic. So one is website visit option is there. Then we have phone call option is there. Then we have app download option is there. Okay. So if it is a website, we will be going for the website visit option. So click website visit. Then enter your website name. Okay, scroll down. Let us give the continue option. Okay, so now we are going to give a title to the campaign name. So we will give it as website traffic. Please erase search one and type it as website traffic. Okay. Scroll a little bit down. Hold on. So right now we have two options. One is search network and display network. So search network means it will show only in the search advertisements. So if we enable the display network, so wherever the websites there is a possibility that this search ads can be shown, that will be shown as a display advertisement. Okay. For this learning process, let us not to give the display advertisement. So we will unmark the display network option and we will use only the search network. Okay. Now what we are going to do is scroll down. We will be having an option called targeting an audience. Choose who you want to reach. Okay, here we can able to target even a minute location as well. So I would request Vinay to click the enter another location option above. Enter another location option. There are three options.
Okay, okay, okay.
Enter another option. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and Vinay, in this location, give a specific address. For an example, give your very nearby neighborhood,
Okay.
not like city or district. Give very minute data like your street might not be available, your district or something like that.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
Yashir, I had received your query. Let me to come to you. So Yashir, yes, what is your problem? You can switch on your mic and say to me. Mic is a problem. Okay, I can see your screen, not a problem. Now you can type. I can able to read.
There is not a result found.
Okay, Vinay, just hold on. I mean, I will come back. Just hold on. No, not to touch anything. Yashvir, click the tab Smart Campaign. So here it is showing enter your own budget, and budget is there, and select budget is there. I believe. Okay, Yashvir, that is a mistake. I think you had did. You had went through the option which is normal, but we had came through the expert mode. We had came through the expert mode. So go back. There is an option called back, right? Please use the back option. Okay, you can go for the again back option. Okay, again back option. Again back option. Back option. Okay, again back option. Hold on. Here you can able to see the switch to expert mode. Is that right? Click the switch to expert mode option. Perfect. So Yashvir, can you able to continue the rest? Here you have to select website traffic. Search, search. Exactly. Click. Now you can give the website name. All right. Scroll down. Okay, you can go for continue option. Did you selected the search ad? Okay, no issues. Can you continue? Okay, campaign name is fine. You can scroll down. You can scroll down. You can switch off the display network option. Display network not required. Perfect. Scroll down, Yashvir. Scroll down. Hold on. Right. In the locations, select enter another location. Yes. Perfect. You can give something in your location which is very nearby, like Mambalama, Tamparam, or something, whatever. Okay. So this is the place where I had left Vinay. So I'm going to continue with Vinay from this chapter. Okay, Vinay, that is great. So Zirakpur, it is not available. Anything your district name? No, 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 not comma. Just give your district name directly. Completely erase and give your district name. Okay. Now type your district name completely.
Yeah, this is already complete. This one.
Mohali, but is it listed? No, right?
SAS Nagari also.
I think then there might be some spell error or something. Something is there. Give something nearby, or you have to enter proper with without grammatical errors. All right, this is your place, Shahib
Yeah.
Sabda Ajit Singh Nagar.
Yeah.
All right, fine then. Okay, let us scroll down. So we had chosen a city right now. Wait, wait, hold on, hold on. I'm sorry. I think this will be helpful for you. Give the option which is exact enter another location and search option will be there. It's okay. Fine then. We will go down. We will scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, hold down, stop.
Everything budget.
Yes. Here, what we have to do is we are going to set everyday budget. So every day, right now, for the sample work, you can put it as 100. So every day, Google can take 100 rupees. Okay. Scroll a little bit down. Acha, here we are. Right now, the bidding option we have is just check it out. What are the options available, Mr. Vinay?
Here.
No, no, no. Click the clicks drop down option.
Okay.
Acha, perfect. Impression share and etc. details are not required right now. We can go for the clicks itself. Just give clicks. Huh. Bus. So right now we had given the clicks bidding. That means what? Whenever someone clicks the advertisement, we will be paying Google. Okay. If we choose the impression share option, then we will be paying the Google for impression share that we are going to have. So those things are not required right now. We will go for clicks. Please give clicks, and then we will go to the next one is set the maximum cost per click bid. Choose that option. Okay, right now the maximum CPC can be set to 5 rupees. So in places where the CPC is more than 5 rupees, the advertisement will not be showing. So we will not be charged higher than 5 rupees. Okay. Scroll down. Let us see what is the next things which are available. Okay. Hold on, Mr. Vinay. So add extensions. So this is the part which I had shown you previously. We have a lot of add extension options. One is site link extensions, call out extensions, and call extensions. And still more extensions are there. We will learn it on later stage. So site link extensions. Click the site link extensions. Okay, these are the places where we will be creating additional links and additional text to create the site link. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, Mr. Vinay. Okay, scroll down. Okay, hold on. Click the call extension.
This one.
Yes, that one. Scroll down. Hold on, and click the new call extension.
This one.
No,
This
yeah,
one.
that one. Right now, change the United States option to India. Okay, enter your phone number. Perfect. And scroll down and give the save option. Okay, scroll down. Give the save and continue option. अच्छा अभी अभी आ गया ग्रुप का नाम लिखने के लिए. So add group name is there, right? Erase the add group name and write title as website keywords. You write the title as website keywords. Yashvir, just 30 seconds. I will come to you. Okay. Now you scroll down. Little bit scroll down. Enough. Bus. Scroll down. So in the right hand side, Vinay, you can able to see the keywords, right? Like for an
Yes, yes,
example,
yes.
you had given speech there, you had given therapycht.com. So relevant keywords are showing. So you just need to click the plus icon or select the things which are relevant for you. Okay. You choose something like or 20 number of keywords from the options which are available. And meanwhile, I will go to Yashvir and I will solve the problem and come back.
How can
Yes.
down this one?
1 minute, Vinay.
Yes.
Yes, Vinay. What is it?
I want to down this one. Check how much is keyword here.
You want to know the count?
Down. Like avian, then a space pathology, then a space, then down.
You want to scroll down, right? Acha.
Yes.
Okay. You can actually keep the mouse over there and scroll your mouse if it is possible. Is there any options like
Here,
you'll be having the scroll option actually.
but here is not coming.
Mm,
Okay. Got it.
Acha, ठीक है. Okay, enjoy. I'm going to Yashvir now. Yashvir's presentation. Where is the trouble now? Okay. Yashvir, I can able to see your screen now. Okay. You just do one thing. You don't need to come to the screen and type, so you can able to communicate to me. As I'm already seeing your screen, just open a notepad and type what you want to say. I can able to see. Budget. Okay, you are asking what budget to give. Okay, open the search campaign. You can give 100 per day. Okay, let us go to the next one. Scroll down. Give the select the maximum cost per click bid, and they give the maximum cost is 5 rupees. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Hold on. Save and continue. Okay. So add group name you give something, and the list of keywords which are relevant for your business will be shown there. Select some 20 keywords. Okay. So Yashil select some give some group name and select some 20 keywords, and I'm going to continue with Vinay.
How many bird?
Yes, Vinay.
Hello. How many add?
You can
Up
choose
to
something like 10 keywords.
10. Oh.
Yes. Use something whichever is relevant. Otherwise, give add all ideas. That's all. Not like that. You can't select it. You have to click each time. You have to click. Nice. I think Annie had collected some good amount of keywords.
Yeah, I think that's it is good.
Okay, that is good enough. Okay, please scroll down. Okay, there is an option called save and continue. Please give the save and continue option.
Here, what is given? This
That
one,
is the
daily,
approx. Yes, that is
daily
a
estimate.
yes. That is an estimate of how many leads you will get and what is the cost per average cost per CPC you will get and every day for this 100 rupees will be shown there. But that
This one.
you don't need to worry about that. Usually the things will happen.
Okay, okay.
You save and continue. Okay, so we are almost at the stage of creating an advertisement. Cool, 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 cool. Hold on, hold on. Right. So, Vinay, you can able to see here. We can able to create some three advertisements in this thing. One is text ads two, and the responsive ad one. Okay. Even we can create multiple responsive ads and text ads, but I will tell you that how to do that later on. Right now, scroll down, and we are going to create a text ad now. Okay. We are going to create a text ad. Yes, hold on. So right now, enter the final URL. So if you want the audience to come to your home page, then you don't need to make any changes. Suppose if you want to bring the audience to some other website, some other page like contact us services, you have to put the URL changes in the URL. Okay. So final URL has been entered. Now when I come to the heading one, yes. In the heading one, you had chosen some keywords. Okay. So usually, whatever the keywords that are related, you have to create a headline, something similar to that. So right now, you can give some, keywords in such a way people will be searching for. I will be optimizing it. You can type something like how you had told Akub something therapist. Yeah, occupational
Then
therapy.
comma.
Not no comma. Comma is not required. So you had given
Okay.
occupation therapy, right? Instead of occupation
Okay.
therapy, you can give best occupation therapy and speech therapy. You can put it in the next line because there is a limitation of 30 characters.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can give best occupational therapy. So in the occupational therapy, give something. Autism. Okay, all right, cool. So display path option is there, right? So this is the URL which will be shown to the audience.
Why showing like this one?
It is showing like that because you had entered as HTTP. HTTP yes means it is secure,
Okay. Okay.
and you should have a
Now,
HTTPS website. Anyway, scroll down.
now. Okay.
There's an option called display path. So hold on. In the path one, enter India.
Where?
Uh, Otherwise, scroll a little bit up. Hold on. Can you able to see the display path option?
Yes. Yes. Yes, this one.
Yes. In the path one, enter India. India.
Yeah.
Okay, please tell me where this will reflect. Okay, and I will go to Yashwant and Yashvir and solve a small issue with him, and I will come back. Just a minute. Yes, Yashvir, I can see your screen. You were asking me something, and that is what you are asking. I have a doubt in daily budget. what should I do after this? Okay, cool. Go to the search ads. Okay, give the save option. Okay, right now you have to create an advertisement. You know this, right? Okay, I'm moving on to Dr. Vinay. Okay, Dr. Vinay, so here you can able to see the display path is the path which will be shown to the audience. The final URL is a URL where the audience will be coming to. Okay, so in the display path, what you had typed as path one is nothing but the keyword. So when people are searching for autism treatment, even you can mention as autism for an example. So that will trigger
Okay, sir.
the yes here instead of India you can erase and you can mention as autism. So this will
Autism, yes.
make the you know Google to understand that this keyword is when people are searching for autism, this ad is the best you know result for that. Okay, so in description you can give
Okay.
something. You can give something like say something about yourself like we are providing this and this etc. Otherwise you can type as best something which is available all over India or something that you want to mention that you want to show. Parallelly, you can able to see the preview in the right hand side. And one more thing which I have to say to Annie, actually by default, if you give a space in the path, it will take as underscore. Okay, but underscore is usually not a best format for keyword. So instead of giving space, give an hyphen.
Hyphen.
Yes, this is for
Full stop is not.
Annie. So Vinay, you just hold on. I will come back.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to Mr. Dr. Vinay.
And description to also something, right?
Yes, you have to type something.
And here part two here also something, right?
You can write, or otherwise you don't need to write. So we will leave that part. So we will scroll down. Okay, scroll down. You can give the option save and continue. Yes, exactly. Okay, so your details were here in a short nutshell, and you can give the option continue to campaign.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll down or something. Yes, scroll down. Hold on. So we have website keywords options and ads and everything is there. So click the ads and extension option in the left hand side. Ads and
Where is
extensions. It is in the left hand side below the ad groups. Yes, that is the one. Above, below. Yes,
this one?
yes, that one. And click the ads.
Okay.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Perfect. Hold on. So right now you can able to see the status is under review. So after some time the ad will become active and it will start to show for the keywords which we had chosen. Okay. So right now what you have to do is you go to the top side where you can able to see all campaign options is there.
Top.
All campaigns, all campaign
Where is this?
near the
Where is this?
Google ads और थोड़ा ऊपर और थोड़ा
Ad.
नो 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 और थोड़ा ऊपर और थोड़ा ऊपर और थोड़ा ऊपर और ऊपर और ऊपर किधर गया आपका माउस मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ अभी वहां पे सर्च वन वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक ऐसे कुछ लिखा है ना
Where?
एट द टॉप सर्च वन वेबसाइट
This one.
ट्रैफिक
This one.
हाँ इसका पहले
Okay.
ऑल कैंपेन्स एक लिंक है ना वो क्लिक कर लेना
Where is
कैन यू रीड
this
ऑल
one?
कैंपेन्स
This one. This
हाँ
one.
या क्लिक दैट ओके
Okay.
स्क्रॉल डाउन होल्ड ऑन so you can see search one website traffic, right? Campaign name search one website traffic
This one.
below search one website traffic. Second ad, second campaign.
Okay.
Yes. So can you able to see a green color icon near the left hand side?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
this one.
Click that one.
Pardon?
Yeah. Click the drop down option. I want to. I say yeah. That's right. Now give the pass option. PAUSC pass.
Okay, pause.
Yes. That's all. So the campaign is ready and it has been passed. So the campaign will now be running. All right. Cool. So that's all. So this is how we can able to create a new search ad for Google using the expert mode option. Okay. So expert mode will give a lot of options rather than how we usually create a campaign. So that is what we had seen now. Similarly, we can able to go to ads section and we can able to create multiple ads, multiple extensions, and hope it will be helpful for you. Okay. And that's all for now. So, how to create a Google Ad search ad has been successfully completed. Hope I think we can go for a break now, and we can come back after 30 minutes. And if anybody else has some doubts, I can clarify now, and we can go for a break.
Then this one, suppose I want to run an ad, then how can do that?
You have to change the pass to start. That's all.
Where?
You have to click the drop down option
Okay.
and enable. That's all.
Enable.
You can change the
Okay.
budget. You can change the timing and all those elements.
Here also I can change, huh?
Yes, here also you can change.
And what is this? These are
Those are the data. Suppose if the campaign is running, it will show you what is the average cost, what is the clicks, what is the conversions, and etc. All those details.
okay, okay.
Okay, I hope We had learned about how to create the search ad. Hope nobody has the doubts till now. So shall we go for a break?
Here is coming reactive and hide, reactivate and hide. What is this?
Where is it?
Top of the right. This one.
Repeat, reactivate account. Your account has been blocked for some reason. Account has been cancelled for some reason. So you can create some new account using new email ID.
Then how can do that?
You can create a new email ID in Gmail, and you can use that email ID to log in.
Okay, again.
Yes.
Here is the login is already showing, na?
Yes, but the account uh, is has been cancelled for some reason.
Here should I click here
Yeah,
reactivate?
you can give the reactivate option and you can proceed. And if they have approved it, then you can use the same.
Okay.
Okay, Ashwir, I'm coming to you. Let us see, and we will finish this out, and we will move on to the break. Yes, Yashvir, you have to be fast. Scroll down, Yashvir. Save and continue. Save and continue. You have to choose the option. Save and continue.
Here is showing the account status is cancelled.
Sorry.
Here is showing the account status is cancelled.
Uh-huh.
How can do that?
Give me a minute. Where is Vinay's presentation of Dr. Vinay? Yes, Vinay, what you are asking?
Actually, I want to activate. So here come like this thing option, like this one.
Okay, what it is asking, account name, your account is active. Account is active now, no problem. Refresh, give a refresh, that's all.
Here,
You will refresh
cancel my.
you refresh the page.
Okay, refresh.
Yes. Okay, what it is saying, your account cannot show ads to run ads, enter your billing details. So these are the next process that you have to give your billing detail, you have to add your credit card in order to run your campaign. Those are usual process. You can fill up the forms and you can able to complete it and you can start running it. Fine, Vinay.
Okay.
Alright, shall we go for a break? Yashvir? Uh, I think you are done almost. I don't know why it is. Okay, I think it is time to take the break. uh, we have to go for the tools option. What are the tools that are available, and something like how to see the real FB ads and Google ads. We will have a case study about how the FB ads and Google ads are running, and then we will have the doubt session and we will be ending it up. So, uh, okay, so this is for So this is for all. So right now the time is 3:50, and hope we can able to return back in 15 to 20 minutes so that we will wind up the session as quick as possible. So right now it is 3:45. So we will end it up by 4. We will start by 4:10. Okay, we will start by 4:10, and we will continue the session. Okay, let us have a small break, a tea break, and we can come back. Thank you.